Sleeping.
What's that? Ayun, meron siyang pet. A chick. Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. 2 months ago, meron kami nakitang ligaw na sisiyo sa labas ng aming bahay. And we decided na alagaan muna siya since at a very young age, we are sure na hindi siya magsasurvive sa labas alone. And since hindi namin makita yung mama niya, so sabi namin, alagaan muna namin siya, and if she's old enough, saka namin siya pakakawalan.
This is a new
She's thirsty siya, oh.
like
What are you doing?
that's my pet.
I tried to be
What?
your everything,
Give me
and my
kiss.
everything.
Yes.
Your
Sold
pet chick?
out. Now just look at me, I'm a
pet
ghost with
chick.
nothing left.
Ito yung kulungan niya. Ay, kailangan linisan. Madumi na. So, meron ito yung kanyang light sa gabi para may ilaw siya. So, madumi na yung kulungan niya. Kailangan linisin habang ano siya sa loob. Kaya Mara. Tara. Grabe, no? Who would have thought na magkakaroon kami ng pet na sisiyo? Sa loob ng 2 buwan, naging parte na siya ng aming pamilya at napamahal na rin kami sa kanya. Kasabay namin siyang kumain, manood ng TV, at pinapakawalan din namin siya sa loob ng aming bahay. Hinaya namin siya maglakad. Tingin niya nga sa amin, parang nanay niya na. At biruin nyo, sa tuwing lalabas kami, kasama rin namin siya. Sa pag-grocery or pag-susutoy namin sa J-Room, kasama namin yan. Let's go, chick! Okay. Napakabait yan dahil kung saan namin siya iwan, doon din namin siya dadatnan. Look, tignan niya siya, oh. Nandiyan pa din siya. See? Sobrang bait, no? Kung saan siya iniwan, diyan pa rin siya, hindi siya maalis. Open mo. Not again. Here again. So it's time to say goodbye. So dadalhin namin si yung chick sa new home niya. So we will set him free. It's time na for him to go. So we will drive to this park. Kasama din namin siyang iwan. Okay? Tara. Bye-bye, Chiki. Okay, say goodbye to Chiki.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
Dami ng pagkain.
Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
Hey,
With you and I, the future is bright.
It's time to say goodbye.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So first time niya. Since nakuha namin siya, guys. Oh, look, he's gonna fight. He's so brave. Oh, you're gonna fight? That's a new friend. Pinipilit pa namin maging masaya. Pero hindi mo makukubli ang aming lungkot.
Bye, chick.
Sana hopeful na what?
It will survive.
It will survive here, right? But you can visit the chick here. You can visit him, okay?
Yes.
And let's see, you can bring some food.
Okay.
Mahirap, masakit. Pero kailangan na matutunan ang salitang let go. At kung kailan at dapat itong gawin.